learn English in my kitchen by cooking noodles, a bowl of noodles. So my goal is to teach you many words in this scenario to target 3,000 words about comprehensible input. Let's get started. So this is the noodles pack, powered by Mr. Noodles. It's instant noodles by Magic Masala. It's not pretty expensive. It just 20 taka in Bangladeshi taka if you take one piece, and in case of 8 packs and 12 packs, it's depending on your one. Another thing, I'm not sponsoring Mr. Noodles. It's just good, so I'm telling about it. Okay, noodles. I also need oil, soybean oil. I put the oil. Okay, I need some water, of course, from the sink or faucet. That's pretty cool. And I need the scissor to cut the noodles here. I also need everything is including here. Okay, so let's get started. In case of cooking, let's do it. And we also need different kind of chilies, onions from here. It's not visible because of the light. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. So I'm gonna plug in the switch for the stove. Now I've plugged the stove. Now I will switch on it with the wood stick. Now there is a sound came. It's a sound that you can prepare here. Now I've switched on it. But in case of here, do you see that? I'm gonna put some water onto it. Okay, I'm holding this video in one hand and dealing this with my right hand, and I'm holding this camera left hand, actually cell phone. So this is the thing. Now I'll get some, this one. This is called a mug. It's not a glass, it's a mug. Now I'm giving 2 mugs of water. Don't think I'm talking about Muggleborns. Muggleborns is a Harry Potter thing, but I'm talking about mugs. Alright. So you need to give 2 mugs of water. My mom teach me this. Now this is a Mr. Noodles pack. Now I have to cut the Mr. Noodles pack. Okay, I'm cutting. Let me show you right here. Okay. So I've done this before, so I don't need to afraid about it. Doing recipes in left hand. Now you can see I've cut the noodles pack. I've got an masala pack. I cut it and put it on in the dustbin. Here's the scissor, and I've put it on a bowl. 4 pieces of noodles. But you normally get 1 piece and you have to divide it into 4 1. I love to eat raw noodles, that's why I will break 1 of them. It's so crunchy, that's why I love it. Whoops. You can see, it's so good. You could try it at your home. Pretty good. Now I'll open the stove, function the stove, turn it on to 12. Now I'm boiling the water. If the water bubbles, then I'll put these noodles. Gotcha? Coming back. Let me tell you, there is also another method to cook these noodles. What you have to do is use the oil, put it on the stove, on the bowl. Then you have to fry these noodles with this masalas, noodles masala, and after it you have to put the water. Same technique but different methods, that way. It's not enough for boiling the hot water, so what I have to do is take this to, I'm gonna up this volume of the heat. Now I'm gonna lower it enough. So this is the strainer I'm gonna put, but the water is not yet boiled. Yep. So the boiled water is now bubbled and it's heated up. Now I'm gonna put all the noodles here slowly. You see? I didn't find. Yes. Now it's okay. Now what you have to do is turn it into pieces of the noodle thing. You don't have to turn it up the volume or do anything. It was so easy to do. So I have my exam currently right now, so that's why I'm not wasting my time for dry noodles or the normal noodles you eat. I'm making soup plus noodles, but it's not like ramen. Now it's, kind of properly cooked. Okay, I'm cooking it right now. Just a time lapse. So now I'm scrambling the egg. Scrambling, and here is crunched onions and green chilies. For my dry noodles, I've changed my mind because I feel like I've never done it before, that's why. Wow. Ew. So now I'm resting the noodles piece. I've strained it. I've strained the hot water, and now I'm making the cold presses with the normal water. You want me to see, okay? I have to make it more cool as possible. So now the oil is getting ready for my noodles. I put some oil here. Now it's ready because it's sit-ups. Let me turn up the volume. Cooking it from a long distance. I can't show you because I'm so afraid of oil. That's why. Now I'm gonna put the scrambled egg over here. Now quickly I'm gonna I cannot tag because I'm making type of a scrambled egg mixture. That's why. I have to cook it for a long time. That's why I'm pretty tired. Now, just slowly keep it distant and slowly put the noodles water. Now cook the noodles gently. So comment down below what I used to say in this case. Like, I always don't trade you with food, and it turned out so bad in this case. Woo. Now just turned off it. Now I'll just put some masala here. Just wait. I put some masala and it's completely ready to cook. Now I'll mix it a little bit. Wow, it's pretty aromatic. Now my noodles is ready. Now I'm gonna eat this up. I'm turning up the fan. Good. Now I'm taking a bowl and eating it up. So I made this amazing noodles. Now I'm sitting on the dining table and eating this amazing dish. So tasty. Comment down below. Try that at your home and learn some English all together. Just a nice flavor. Okay, so as my recipe is so beautiful, if you're from other country, then you may not know about this culture. We cook the noodles in this way. Mr. Noodles is my favorite noodles. I could try it. Again, it's not including
if you've
paid
enjoyed this
promotion
video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Of course, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon thing. And I have a homework for you. Comment down below that how many words I've learned from this video, including that I'll make 3,000 words covered for you. So that's all thing about. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon thing for yourself. Bye.